leaving San Jose.
Yeah, leaving San Jose.
Leaving our friend George.
At 8:44 or 8:54, so traffic. Not too bad though.
It's moving.
I've seen worse.
Yeah, Austin comes to a stop.
Yeah.
But
Golden Gate Bridge. It's not cloudy today.
Take exit 122 for Alexander Avenue.
Elmer gets to go on the Golden Gate Bridge.
Yeah.
Elmer and family.
Yeah, and the family.
And the dogs are super excited.
Inga, so excited. Chewy, so excited. Presidio Yacht Club? Presidio?
Yeah, Presidio, I'd say. Huh.
The big empty room.
Well, maybe they do like parties or something there.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah,
like little dance.
And Travis Marina Bar. Ooh, that's cute.
If you didn't know, my, it's windy.
It's very windy.
That's the Golden Gate if you didn't know, but now you know. Well found.
And boats.
And a couple sailboats.
And it smells like fish.
Yeah, a little bit stinky. It's like sea lion poop.
It does smell like sea lion poop.
Well, that's as far as we made it.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's chilly. There's San Francisco. And Alcatraz. And Golden Gate V2. I don't know, somebody knows the name of the bridge. I'll put it on the bottom.
There's a whole lot.
And a flock of Palockins. And the Golden Gate. We're gonna try to get up to this hill there in the van, which we'll also be able to get our jackets, like a bunch of silly Texans, because I bet you all the locals are in shirts and shorts, swimming in the water. That's it. See you at the van.
Through the mountain we go.
Lookout point number 1.
It's the Golden Gate.
to talk close because it's windy as all get out. But sometimes you ask, what am I doing with my life? With all this wind? I like that tree. What is it, Chewy?
What is it?
What is it?
Come here, you can see.
Looks good, doesn't it?
It does look really good.
Okay, so here's where we are today, or where we were last night. So the nearest town is going to be Jenner. Right there, up one. There's Vista Trail. But anyway, I mean, it's marked on here on Google Maps. We used iOverlander and found it. And it's Vista Point. So there's a little pull out there.
morning.
Well, this is basically Highway 1 in a nutshell.
Yep.
90% zigzags right on the side of the cliffs. Pretty though.
So contagious. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Your love is so contagious, contagious.
Those people are walking.
Sea Glass Beach. Here, I'll show you. I already showed you what's on the beach if I don't fall and break my leg. In the meantime, very windy too. I can't be bothered to use a hair tie. But this is what's out here. A lot of clear, a lot of brown, little bits of green, and then of course your typical shells. And then plenty of tide pool. Dog friendly as well, which is a plus. It's hard to kind of find places that are dog friendly. On this episode of Just Walk Around. Oh, there's a crab. Let's see if you can see him. After quite a bit of searching today, this is where we've ended up. Some Vista Point.
Somewhere in California.
Somewhere in California. It's not bad. There was a lot of turnoffs, but I don't like the tall cliffs with nothing protecting us from somebody running into us and booting us off the edge of the cliff. So this is where we shall be. All right. Keep things easy, and we don't have to wash our wood cutting board. So we got the wax paper, and then in order not to ruin the wax paper, we got skizzles. I'll put that in Alex's bag of special seasonings. glove is just to make washing up easier for me too. Alrighty, a little bit of garlic olive oil. That's heating up.
Yeah, I found it. I found a big.
And we'll throw our chicken in there once that's nice and warm, and that's that. But even,
Whole nother ecosystem.
it's a whole new ecosystem. Green lava. Yum.
So contagious. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Your love is so contagious, contagious. The size of these clovers. There's a path all the way down this one.
Wow.
Food at the Redwood. Complete.
Perfect.
Late breakfast, huh? It's a Redwood brunch.
It's a Redwood brunch at 4 p.m.
It's not 4. It's 1 o'clock.
Oh, why does my thing say 4 then?
I don't know. Did you press a button on it?
I guess.
You're in home time. Or something.
No, she has 1.
Oh. Oh my god. Wow. Well, there's the inside of a redwood.
He started running and he started. Inga! No, come here. Don't run off.
You both just hang out for a second.
Yes.
Okay.
I can suds her up. She usually won't run off with that.
Well, watch.
Oh, you're smart. Yeah.
Put that under your foot.
You're so smart. Very much.
Now you can have both your hands and not worry about her getting away.
Thank you very much.
Let me give her a spritz to spread that.
Yeah. Straight down the center, yep. There we go. Yeah, that's what I didn't do with you. Oh, lost a ring.
Here.
There. Thank you.
Here. Let me see it.
Should, yeah. Let's go. The thumb one doesn't come off.
It's too tight.
That one does though. Yeah, this one's too tight. I can't.
Okay.
Well, no, go ahead. Normally doesn't, I guess, with soap. I know. Okay, the worst part of all. You gotta get your head in your face. I know.
They're so tough for you.
I know. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Gotta get your clean though. Oh, it's horrible. I gotta get you clean. Remind me to stretch after this.
Does sitting like that hurt your legs?
Yeah.
Huh.
She's got it. Yeah, turn for the camera, why don't you? We're gonna want to clip that.
Huh?
We're gonna want to clip that out.
Oh, butt nuggets?
Yeah.
Hey, that's part of, you know?
Butt nuggets.
Well, when you're at home, you have a freaking bath and a shower.
I know.
Scissors and everything at your fingertips. You don't here.
Don't worry, I'll wash my hands.
We are washing them now.
Right, that's true. Okay, let's see. Let's get the face first. I know it's the worst part. I know. So good job, Inga. Good girl.
It's still too dark to see. It might not get any better than that. Like, that might be all you're gonna be able to see. I'll have to get my big camera out, walk around so people can see. This is amazing here. Alright, big camera. Ready? Go. Okay, big camera activated. up the ISO. Okay, it might get grainy, but it is what it is. Look at the size of these bushes. And bushes they're not, they're ferns.
Uh-oh. Tom made a big mistake. He gave me the GoPro and said just record everything I see and want to record. Be prepared for a lot of bugs and animals. Slug. Spittlebugs. I found more spittlebug nest. It's a type of bug that lays their eggs and they look like what it looks like a bunch of spit. But that's their egg nest.
Welcome to Alex's nature walk.
It's so big. I mean, look. Look how big. There's my finger next to it. It's pretty colors, too. Okay, let's play a game of Find the Tiny Chipmunk. He's right... Where is he? He's right there. And he's tiny. And he's eating. And he's cute. Tom's gonna try to get a better actual picture.
He's stuffing him full.
He's stuffing his little face. He's so cute. No. What you doing? They're so pretty. Found some sort of mushrooms fungi thing. On another episode of Where's the Bug? He's so tiny.
He's a slug.
It is. It's so tiny. Another banana slug. They're so cute. Okay, how do you feel about being in a forest that possibly dates to BC?
It's pretty amazing.
Yeah, pretty cool, huh?
It is really cool.
Like the amount of things that have happened in the world over, 2,000 years and everything like that. And this has just kept growing.
Well, yeah, some of those trees are 1,500 years old.
Or 18, yeah.
So
Exactly.
that's just those trees. Be careful for the slug.
Oh, thank you. Oh, he saved you, even though he doesn't want to touch you.
Welcome to Thomas's fun guide of Find the Gnome.
Find the gnome?
Yep.
Oh gosh, wait, this is a fun game.
Where is he?
Am I hot or cold? Am I warm looking this direction?
Relatively.
Oh, it's not a gnome, it's a troll.
Well, I've become a master at this road because this is the 19th time I've driven it today.
We couldn't make up our mind.
Look who's cooking this evening.
I volunteered and now I'm starting to question my decision. That was fun.
You got it.
I know, it is fun.
It's gonna be delicious. You're a good cook.
I'm a good cook when I know what I'm
Well, you know how to make quesadillas,
I do.
right?
I've never in my life cooked over fire, like a gas burner
Oh, you're gonna be fine.
or anything.
If it makes you feel better, before our trip, I had cooked over gas and like an open flame on like propane or like a cooktop, like
Yeah.
natural gas, probably 2 times in my life.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
Yeah, you just kind of wing it.
Okay. Well, I don't know.
Yeah, so yeah, don't worry.
We forgot to start recording after I got done cooking. But, how is it?
Well, let's pretend this is my first try here. Let's see how your street went. Oh! Oh my gosh, spot on.
My first time trying Mexican street corn. I skipped the chili powder just cause. But, yeah.
That's really good.
And then cheese quesadillas and ketchup because that's delicious.
Oh, you.
Yeah. But yeah, I think it worked out nicely.
It really did.
Thank you.
Good job. Well, good morning. I moved the van. We were back over there. I'm over here now. Alex is sleeping. I don't think she got much rest last night. I slept pretty good. Up a couple times, but that's normal for me. So I'm gonna hang out on the beach here, see what I see. Let Alex rest a little bit more before we head towards Shasta. Yesterday I screwed up. All my photos for the Redwood, when we first went to it, so it was Valley of the Giants, or Avenue of the Giants. And all my photos the next day, oh, I think the day before that, yeah, the day before that, we stopped at a spot, awesome tide, like I've never seen tide pools like that in my life, and now we probably won't ever again because I formatted my card yesterday at the rest stop in the morning and I had not pulled those pictures off. That's it happens. You know, when you're a photographer, you think you pulled them off and you didn't. I mean, luckily it wasn't a, you know, wedding shoot or something where it's somebody else's. But yeah, it still stung quite a bit, so what can you do? That's one of the best things I've bought for this trip, for peace of mind. You need the Jackery for a battery or some battery system, and then you need a backup plan. And that allows me, if I need to air down the tires and bring them back up, you could put onboard air, but this is easy. It's like 79 bucks at Home Depot. Has the air compressor on it. It also works as a backup battery like the Jackery, but nowhere near as much power. The good thing is you can jump start your truck with it too. So if you mess up and you use too much power and your truck won't start, you don't have to wait for someone to pass by with jumper cables, you know, some axe murderer or something. You can jump start yourself. So self-sufficiency is good on these trips. So this is why we came to Shasta. Not for the parks, not for the national forest, for that.